Yeah, that's a good question. So we've always made bespoke garden buildings since 1985, but in that first lockdown we could see that people wanted garden offices really quickly, so we came up with 7 sizes to standardise everything and to speed up the whole process from consultation to the actual manufacturing side of things and even the installation, and that's really where it started. Yeah, so the little J office that we designed, there's only 7 sizes originally, really took off well. Clients then wanted bigger ones than we were offering, so we designed the J Studio range. And then from there, we could see that that was really gathering momentum and people wanted that simple solution. We've now added the Kite, which is a full glass front, double doors on the front, and that's taken off really well. So it's just an obvious, more simple solution than our bespoke buildings that we're renowned for. Yes, don't misunderstand. We've not got pre-made panels, we've just got all the component parts ready to go, and that's the difference. So there's still quite a bit of customization that you can do. In the J Office, there's 7 sizes. The J Studio, you've got 8 sizes, and in that Kite, that new one we've just introduced with the full glass, that's actually got 15 sizes. There's less than 1% waste in these buildings, which is one of the reasons that they're more cost effective, but also those component parts really help. But you can still customize the building. You can move the doors and windows around on the front, add side windows, change a few bits around, half drop windows, full drop. So there's still a lot you can do to customize these pre-designed. Yeah, so let's take that little J office. I actually designed them for a desk for a person to be able just to work in quickly, but already I've seen them being used as little man caves and also as gyms, which is really interesting. The bigger studios and the Kites, I've seen them used for so many different things, including therapy rooms and salons, things like that. Really the options are endless because they're an all year round usable room, and it's only the size and a few other things that are fixed. How you want to use it would be totally up to you. As part of the process when you're purchasing from us, we will always talk about how you'll be using it in 5, 10, 15 and even 20 years time, just to make sure we future-proof that building. Yeah, that's a great question. So we've always been renowned for bespoke garden buildings. It's a blank canvas, you can have whatever you want. But often these pre-designed buildings come with a zero compromise anyway. These are great sizes and great usability, and we've got less than 1% waste. And that in a simplified process does make them much more cost effective. So we always look at both options, and quite often now we're recommending pre-designed over our bespoke for these reasons. If you're interested in any garden building, from one of our amazing bespoke rooms to these pre-designed collections, please feel free to contact us through our website at bakersgardenbuildings.co.uk or through our social media channels. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We really do appreciate it. Thank you.